Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we talk about apologizing. To express your apology in spoken Egyptian, it's very important and we prepared 5 key phrases for this. But before, make sure to check the comment section and also sign up in the first comment to my Egyptian 101 free course. This is a basic course you will need to enter the world of spoken Egyptian. You will find also the link in the description box of this video. So let's start. Apologizing in spoken Egyptian is a very important topic and very important daily conversation topic and keyword that you need to know. And we have in this episode some important words and phrases that we use on daily basis natively to express apology. After this episode, you will master these 5 important phrases and you can use them directly in daily conversations. So let's start with the first phrase. Our first phrase here is أنا آسف, and أنا آسف is by far the most important phrase we need to learn to express apology. Okay, so this is the most direct one, and we say it if we want to apologize to anyone. So we say أنا آسف, and let me break it down to you. أنا is I, so I, أنا, the pronoun, and آسف, it means sorry, آسف. And this is from the verb يأسف, to be sorry in modern standard Arabic. So we just say آسف, آسف, and pay attention to how we make or prolong the alif or the A. So it's not asif, it is آسف, so it's longer. So we say أنا آسف. Say it with me again. أنا آسف. Another important phrase here is حقك عليا or حقك عليا. What's the difference? It is when you are talking to a male or talking to a female, as we always say in our episodes. So حقك عليا, your right is on me. Okay, your right is on me. This is a literal translation. So حق, it means right. And على as a preposition, it means on something. And this على, this is me. So حقك عليا. Your right is on me. Okay, your right is on me, or I owe you, you were right, and so on. When you say it to a female, you say حقك عليا. So instead of حقك, we say حقك. حقك. This is the code for the female. Okay, it's حقك. Okay, so E. The male is A. So حقك عليا. The female is حقك عليا. And also an interesting addition to this is the gesture. So Egyptians usually when they say حقك عليا, they make this. حقك عليا. حقك عليا. They always make this and they somehow knock gently on the chest with the hand. So we say حقك عليا. حقك عليا. And also the expression on the face, it reflects the emotional state when you say this. So repeat it with me. حقك عليا. حقك عليا. Another interesting phrase as well in spoken Egyptian related to apology is that when you say I didn't mean it, okay, it was out of my hand, or I didn't mean to do this. So you say ما كانش قصدي or just مش قصدي. Okay, so you say either ما كانش قصدي or the simpler form مش قصدي. What is the difference? So both are okay and both are native. قصد, it means purpose. قصد, from قصد in modern Arabic. قصدي, my purpose. Okay? مش is not. So when you say مش قصدي, it is not my purpose, or I didn't mean to do so. Okay, it was not my original purpose to do so. You always also say ما كانش قصدي, which is a slight, let's say, more a sophisticated way of saying it, but also native. Can, it was. ما كانش, it wasn't. Okay, so ما كانش simply it means it wasn't. The grammar of it. Can, was, and ما كانش, wasn't. And we have also in Linguamid a great library of many episodes. From there you can also have an episode about negation, and you may see also this in the episode can, ما كانش, or the way we negate in spoken Egyptian. You will find it also in this channel. So simply when you say ما كانش قصدي, it was not my purpose. ما كانش قصدي, I didn't mean so. Okay, so you say أنا آسف, for example, ما كانش قصدي. أنا آسف, ما كانش قصدي. Also, there is a very important word or phrase we say usually if we want to apologize and we are expecting forgiveness from somebody if we did something wrong about him or her. So you say سامحني, which means forgive me please. Forgive me please. سامحني. يسامح is to forgive. يسامح, the verb. And when you say it in the form of request, so you say سامح. Okay, سامح. Or سامحي to a female. So سامح to a male, سامحي to a female. If you want to say سامح and then add the object to be you, or me here, to be me, so you say سامحني. You forgive me. سامح, you forgive, and ni is I or me. So سامحني, forgive me. The female form, on the other hand, you say سامحيني. Okay, so the difference here is you don't add the ya after the noon in سامحني, before the noon. Okay, before the noon, so you don't add the ya. سامحني. But in the female form, you add a ya between the ha and the noon. سامحيني. And the meme also is silent. Sam, not سامح. سامحيني. So repeat it with me. سامحني, forgive me if I'm talking to a male. سامحيني, forgive me if I'm talking to a female. Also, this is by far a very important and a very common word we say in spoken Egyptian. And this word is معلش. معلش. You may have heard it or from a native if you were in Egypt or you actually conversate or speak a lot with Egyptians or hear Egyptians. So معلش. What is معلش actually? معلش is an Egyptian word that is derived from a modern standard Arabic expression. The modern standard Arabic expression is simply ما عليه شيء. There is nothing upon him. There is nothing wrong about him. ما عليه شيء. ما, there is nothing. عليه, on him, and شيء, something. ما عليه شيء. With the generations and with time, this expression became Egyptianized somehow and became shorter and more concise. So Egyptians started to say معلش with the ha in the middle. معلش, this as if you are having your breath, taking your breath. Okay, معلش. And with time, this ha became even a burden and difficult to pronounce. So Egyptians just say معلش without the ha, and also it's understood. So when an Egyptian say to you معلش, it means never mind. معلش is never mind. This is the translation of it, never mind. There's nothing problematic about it, never mind. And it means originally ما عليه شيء, so you know that this is the original phrase for this concise one. The actual meaning actually is معلش or never mind. The actual meaning is never mind. So never mind, there's no problem. Never mind, it will be okay. معلش كله هيبقى كويس. Now, as you see, apologizing is very interesting and easy in spoken Egyptian. We can have these important phrases and let me revise them. أنا آسف, معلش, حقك عليا, ما كانش قصدي. All these phrases are 100% native and used extensively on daily basis. You can try any of them with an Egyptian, so your partner, your loved one, friend, family member, whatever you like, and try to train on them. Then you will find these phrases really easy and applicable on daily conversations. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to sign up to my free Egyptian Arabic 101 basic course. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot and see you in the next episode.